video might go down as one of my favorites. It's all about self-care today. Hi, thank you for joining me today. So when we think about our lives, how busy we are, whether we're in a career zone, a career parent zone, or student or grandparents, whatever it may be, it seems that life can be very taxing at times. And by the end of the day, by the end of the week, we may feel like we're at the end of our rope. We're exhausted, we're drained. So putting a little bit of deposit back into the bank, taking time and care for yourself is very, very important. So you can be good, not just for yourself, but for others as well. So what does self-care look like? In my opinion, it comes in a variety of ways. It may be a walk in the park, 30 minutes of meditation, praying, sitting in a corner reading a book. Really, it's all about is doing things that ignites your soul. It makes you feel recharged, makes you feel you're taking time for yourself in a way that you need. So today's video is really self-care in the bathroom. It's showing you the items that I use that you could do at home that you would do at a spa if you can't afford it. And these are items that you can purchase that are within your budget. We'll go over them and I will show you what I have. Frankly, what woman doesn't like to go to the spa and say we can't bring the spa to our home and do it ourselves and give ourselves that hour, whatever the time is we need to check out to be a woman in the bathroom. Surround ourselves with everything that is beautiful, it's pleasing and nurturing, not only for our soul, but for our skin, for our hair, on any given day. So this is going to be joyful for me, and I hopeful for you as well. But at the same time, I'm going to be giving myself some self-care and showing you some of the items that I do use. Like I said, I need nourishing. Nourishment comes from head to toe. The things I'm going to do today in this video is nourish my skin, my face, and I will show you how I do them. I have some spa music going to feel a little relaxed. I am going to show you. I have a washcloth here, and this is called Pure Daily Care. So you can do a towel warmer, a facial, or you can use it as a humidifier. Turn it on and it starts to steam. I put my little towel there in the little compartment and let it get all warmed up. So what I will tell you is this is one of my favorite items that I like to use. It also comes with a 5-piece stainless steel kit. I got this off of Groupon, and I think I paid maybe $25 for it. I don't remember exactly, but it's 3-in-1 ionic facial steamer, and it comes with the 5-piece little tool to extract, you know, if you have blackheads and things like that, and make sure that you always sterilize any of your tools or equipment before you use them, of course. I leave that to the side and let that cool down a little bit. So what I will do is I like to turn it on to the facial part, and you can put a towel over your face to help keep the steam coming just directly on your face, or you can move it a little closer to you. You have to be very careful because you can burn your face with this. But this is very good to use to remove blackheads, anything that you want to do to your skin. It's best to steam it, get it a little bit warm and a little bit moist before you start doing things. As you can tell, it's very, very hot, and my face is getting very moist, but it's very, very good to use. I use this once a week. Ooh, it gets hot. So as you can tell, my skin is very wet and moist. Another item that I have, I wanted to share. This is an item that I purchased on Amazon for $25.87. And this here is a blackhead remover vacuum suction pore cleaner. If you can hear it, it gets hot, higher and higher, the suction. Now, it does like suck pretty hard. You got to be very, very careful that you do not bruise your skin, because it's very easy to happen. Now, I would say that I probably would need to use the steamer a little bit more, and I can't say that I've really noticed a big difference in it. Another thing that I find like extremely important is drinking water. This is my water intake for the day. I like this because on here it has the different times, you know, to keep reminding you to drink this whole entire gallon. I bought this as well for $18.96 from Amazon as well. I have this is called Vixing humidifier, and I will turn off the light a little bit and show you, dim it. It changes colors, let's see. See? It goes different colors. I think this is extremely a nice item to have when you're trying to have like a spa day. And it is a essential oil diffuser. I have essential oils here that I also purchased that I use. And I use these quite a bit if I'm studying and things, just to help with me focusing. And it has all the main oils in it. I can't say that it's really, you know, does anything, but I'm not for sure exactly how to pronounce it, but for EO Luna, this is the fuchsia one. This was $39. You just press, I don't know if you can like hear it, but you can exfoliate like your skin with this, and it has a vibration to it, which is great because it helps to treat and transform the skin with this for a facial cleansing device designed to provide a professional standard of skincare with its invigorating 1-minute ritual. Perfect for all skin types, the facial brush inspires healthier looking skin for a more luminous complexion. This is called Jade Roller Massager for face, eyes, neck massage, rejuvenate the skin. You can use it in the morning, you can use it at night, but you're to roll up, and it's to help, you put your face cream on, and it's to help with the wrinkles, you know, whatever aging imperfections that you feel that you have. I do see a different and change in like my forehead and around the crow's feet. This is a derma roller micro needling for the face. This has 540 titanium micro needle at 0.25 millimeters. So this derma roller treatment, also called microneedling and collagen induction therapy, is one of the hottest new skin care developments in years. By rolling your skin, it creates an overall smoothing of the skin, so fine wrinkles and dimple scarred of tissue that is from acne and many other blemishes are significantly reduced, and general skin will look younger and healthier. You have to be very, very cautious. I would test it on the back of your hand or sensitive, because it is little needles, and you have to be careful how you hold it, how you press on your skin with it. I wouldn't use this like right before you're going somewhere, you know, going out on a special event or date or anything. Make sure that you put on your moisturizer afterward. To use the derma roller, first sterilize the roller by submerging it in alcohol for 10 minutes and wash your face. Try it on the back of your hand so you can get a feel of the right pressure. Then you just roll it gently over your face, rolling up and down over a small area at a time, using no more than 3 strokes of each roller. Follow-up treatment with a nice moisturizer to get your skin looking great. You may experience some slight redness of the skin after a treatment. This is normal, and the redness should fade in a day or a week. So make sure you're not doing this close to an event. And use the roller no more than twice a week. So here's the part that I find most important, and that is the quiet time, alone time. This is a time to pray, to reflect, a time to cast out my hopes, my wishes, my dreams. I have always been in belief that it's important to, throughout the gratitude first, to express what it is to be, what I'm thankful for, what I have. We're all in different phases of our lives at different times, and sometimes we can be out of touch, and sometimes there feels like it's not a lot to be grateful for. But if you really dig deep and do some soul searching, you can find ways to cast gratitude. Maybe you're not in your dream home, but you have a roof over your head that provides shelter, your space. You can always thank God that you are grateful for the roof over your head. You have a home, you have a shelter, food that you can put on your plate, maybe a car to be able to drive in, to get to work or wherever you need to go. There's so many things that we could be thankful for that we overlook sometimes because we don't see where we should be, or we feel like we should be somewhere else. So I believe that we need to be grateful for what we have in the present time until we seek to realize there's always something there to be thankful for, a great place to put your head. It's very calming to be thankful for the things that we do have. There are a lot of people that don't have family, that are unfortunate, they don't have a job, they don't have the basics that we need in life. I'm grateful I have my mother here. I have my YouTube channel that I'm starting, thanks to you guys. Even if a lot of these things in life cause stress and be frustrating and difficult at times, I'm sure that I can find somebody would give anything to have the things that I have, just to be grateful. Have my talk with God and speak to Him about things that I hope for, things I'm thankful for. I know too well He has His plan, and there's time for everything, and it's important for me to put out there what I hope and what I dream about. My goals for myself, for my family, how I seek His wisdom throughout everything that He has coming for me and has done for me. In my opinion, that spiritual connection, to have that conversation, is very, very positive. It's very good. It's very important. And it puts your head in such a good place that it makes life not feel so heavy and not so full of burdens. Not to say that we're not to do our part or not being responsible for our actions, but it's a tandem walk is how I see it. My walk and His walk. And the two truly go hand in hand. So I really enjoy being able to do my self-care and share it with you, the new things that come out to test and try, and appreciate the beauty that we have and taking care of it from the outside to the inside. There's no better glow from the inside out or from the outside in. To be able to have this time to be able to relax and do these things is really amazing. A lot of people don't have this opportunity, so I'm very thankful for that. Make sure you value yourself, the time that you invest in yourself. Make yourself a priority to take care of yourself. Self-care is very important. I hope that this video is an encouragement to you to take that time, make that time, to see that this time is very valuable. Don't offer any excuses for it. Just take care of yourself and your health, however it looks today. Feel good at the end of it. Allow it to carry you through the rest of the day, the rest of your week. If you can only do it once a week, then plan for it and do it. Celebrate it. The fuel to carry you through. So hopefully this is a video that you enjoyed today, and it was something it meant to you, and it gave you some food for thought of what you can do to incorporate self-care into your routine. I want you to be fancy and be fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.